On the 14th of April, OnePlus launched their newest, biggest, fastest and costliest flagship smartphone yet, the OnePlus 8 Pro, along with a premium mid-ranger OnePlus 8. Now, let's virtually unbox the smartphone to see what's inside the box. I'll leave the links for the Instagram filter in the description. The OnePlus 8 Pro comes with a 6.78-inch Quad HD 120Hz AMOLED panel with a hole in the screen for the selfie camera and a 10-bit color display which can show up to 1 billion colors. Normal screens can show only 16.7 million colors. I'm gonna explain that in the next video. The OnePlus 8 Pro comes with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 chipset with 5G support and 8 or 12 GB of LPDDR5 RAM, 128 or 256 GB of UFS 3.0 with TurboWrite, IP68 water and dust resistance, a 4510 mAh battery with 30 watt fast charge support. It can even wirelessly charge up to 30 watt with a proprietary OnePlus charger, which you have to buy separately for $70. The OnePlus 8 Pro comes with a quad camera setup, which are a 48 megapixel main camera, a 48 megapixel ultra-wide camera, 8 megapixel telephoto lens with 3 times optical zoom and a 5 megapixel color filter camera. It comes with a 16 megapixel selfie shooter. The OnePlus 8 Pro comes in 3 colors: glacial green, onyx black and ultramarine blue. The OnePlus 8 Pro is priced at $899 for the base variant. Indian prices are yet to be announced. And that's it for now. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.